Data from the Department of Health have linked cases of vaping-related lung illness to products sold by state-licensed marijuana dispensaries. It is the first time that one of the illnesses has been connected to something bought from a Massachusetts dispensary. WBZ's Christina Hager is live in Quincy now with more on this. Christina?
Well, Liam, we just caught up with Governor Charlie Baker at an event here in Quincy and asked him about this. He says he is concerned about this new information on vaping, but perhaps he is not completely surprised.
Got some flour.
Jim Sullivan would rather be vaping the cannabis he buys.
I have arthritis. I had both my knees reconstructed, so I'm always in pain.
But surprising new information from the State Department of Public Health has him concerned. Out of a total 90 patients, 6 that are probable but not confirmed to be sick from vaping say they were THC vapes from dispensaries. It flies in the face of previous reports that it was black market vapes that were making people sick.
If you are going to a shop and, you know, there's clear packaging on it and they're licensed and reputable, you would expect that you're getting a good product.
I think it's people are not telling the truth, because I've never had a problem with any of the products here that I've bought.
The news comes just days before the state is expected to lift Governor Baker's blanket ban on vape sales.
From the beginning, the FDA and the CDC have said there is evidence of injury and death across all of these various platforms.
The State Cannabis Control Commission quarantined all marijuana vapes last month while it investigates. A spokesperson saying the commission will use this new data toward its ongoing investigation into whether marijuana products manufactured by Massachusetts licensees contain substances or contaminants of concern. One member of the board, Shalene Title, tweeting out, the vast majority interviewed did not report using products purchased at a dispensary, but added, it's concerning.
Governor Baker says this new information does not change the state's plan to lift the ban on vape sales next Wednesday, but it will come with a big public information campaign, restrictions on where people can buy vapes, and making sure kids can't get them. In Quincy, Christina Hager, WBZ News.